Welcome to the first video in English of this channel. Welcome to peer-to-peer channel. Okay, in this video I will provide you one example about how to set up a persistence mode of the Kali Linux in a Docker container. Okay, for beginner and for a professional hacker that you or professional developer that has wants to prove this kind of tool that we have. Docker is a revolution from it was created. Okay, Docker is a great alternative to virtualization when playing with various tools or for creating isolated environments. Yes, Docker is a lightweight, runs natively on Linux and no hypervisor layer. Why this is important? No hypervisor layer. Why? Okay, when we are using yes, virtual machines for with Ubuntu or Windows or something, or one operating system that you are using with one image. Okay, we cannot use them at the same time, or at the same time. Yes, why? Okay, well, because virtual machines use the hypervisor layer, and we have Docker that is not using, in this case, is not. Yes, Docker is not using a hypervisor layer. Okay, we have conflicts with them. If you want to use them at the same time, could be that your operating system break down. Okay, could be no, it's happened. Okay, well, and this is ideal for use cases not requiring a graphical user interface when you are exploiting some machines in a CTF. Or when you are using Docker for use minimal services. Okay, it's very useful. You probably can make it work. Yes, thanks. I'm not particular try to inclined to try. Okay, inclined to try. Offensive security have created an official Kali Linux image named Kali Linux / Kali Linux Docker, something like this in my terminal. Kali Linux / Kali Linux Docker. This is the image that is provided in the official webpage of Kali. Okay, well, I should not to have Docker installed in your system. I don't want to start from the initial point. Okay. And getting minimal Kali image up to running is easy. Okay, we have to use these two commands that I will provide you now. Docker pull Kali Linux. Okay, Kali Linux Docker. We have to pull this image, this container. Okay, but I don't want to use, but okay, I will use again, no problem. If you want to use again, and only you have to these commands go to update the image in the case that you have an update container. Okay. Well, using the default tag latest, you have the digits, that's the latest version, and we are status here, image is up to date for Kali Linux Docker. This is the latest version. The last version, okay. If you want to run the proper in a proper mode, the Kali Linux Docker. I'm sorry. Okay, well, I'm sorry. No, I don't want this. Okay, yes, but if you want to use in the first mode, yes, you can. Okay, but I will provide you the completely command that you want to use. You have to use. We want to use this Docker container in an interactive mode with Bash. Okay. Well, Okay, we have the container running. Okay, now first things. Okay, I will explain this one. Okay, this downloads official Kali Linux. I will provide this. I will explain where is this. Okay, this pool. Okay, sorry, this pool. Okay. This downloads official Kali Linux Docker image, creates a container based on that image and starts, okay, and starts bash. Well, in the container, Kali image is barebones, thus it has Kali apt source configured. No tools are installed. We don't have anything, okay? We don't have. If well, yeah, well, we have here some programs that natively is running in Kali. Okay, we can go to the bin folder. Okay, here we have several many programs, many executables that we have, but this is the minimal mode. Okay, if you want to use more, if you want to get more programs for hacking or for something like that, we have before we have to update the things. Okay, first thing that you would want to do is to update Kali package and install the tools you will be using, okay, such as Metasploit. Start a container using the docker run command above, okay. Then run the following in the Kali shell. Okay, well, you have to use update. Okay, I will jump this kind of commands because takes a lot of time. You have to use apt update, okay, without the tag. Okay, apt again this upgrade. This one again take more a lot of time that we don't have. Well, after that you have to use apt the same auto remove, and after that you have to use, I'm sorry, clear. Okay, this command after you are running, you run these commands that is yes or yes, you have to use them. Kali has several of meta packages that bundle a number of Kali tools for easy installation. The names of the meta package, as well as description of what is included in them, are listed in the description. Go to the description. I will provide you one URL. Okay, that is the last part of URL of this URL is Kali Linux meta package. Okay, well, specifically consider using Kali Linux top 10 as your starting point. Okay, we have to use here apt install Kali Linux and top 10. Okay, this takes a lot of time because we have here 1575, that is a megabytes, that's a lot. Okay, I will jump this one because I have this one, and I also suggest installing mandv, that is apt install man. I'm sorry, I have Telegram or WhatsApp in my browser. Okay, we have to use mandv. Okay, if you want to use them, that take some more time in this case. Okay, well, again you have to use exploit db. Okay, that's a database, that is you have to use apt get install and exploit db. Okay, as you can you have used as you can see, we not use in this case sudo because we have root, okay, privilege, That is not a problem. Why? Because we have an isolated environment that is working in a single mode. Okay, we don't have problem with our own operating system. Okay, well, as a next step, let's create a local Docker image with the updated and Kali tools installed. This means you will be able to quickly create new Kali Linux containers with all the tools ready to go. This is a required step if you would like to stick with persistent option, one below recommended. Okay. This is the recommended mode that I will provide this only mode because we have two options. The second option I don't like it. Okay, to create a new image based on the change we just did, exit the Kali Linux shell. Okay, well, exit. Clear. We have to clear the terminal. Okay, exit the Kali Linux shell, yes, and run the following. Okay, Docker PC. Okay, because I was proving this video before. I have different options, different container ID, different image, different commands created. Okay, well, in this case, I want to use the properly one that is in my case, because in my case this last container, I don't have all tools that you are creating. You are creating in a new container. I have one container that before was created. Okay, where is this one? Could be this one. I don't know. It's like 21 minutes ago. It's like / okay. Docker run. Yes, I have to check. Quantity and I Kali Linux. What is the one? What is this one? I don't know. Okay, yes, Docker run because my Kali. Okay, well, in this case, I have my properly my image, my container that I provide you one name to use it for more time. Okay, well, but if you are using your container again, okay, because we have to use it. Okay, exit. Okay, after that you update the all tools, you are installed all tools. Okay, we have to use this one. Okay, it's Docker commit. Okay, this is better that we have to check the manual. Where commit commit, where are you commit here, create a new image for containers change. Okay, you have update the tools updated. You have the distributor in container updates again, updates also. Okay, you have to clear them. Docker commit your ID in case that you are okay. I'll check one thing. We have to use Docker PC, okay, ps-a, okay, for looking for your ID that you used before. So if you have one image that is only one ID, okay, we have to use Docker commit. In the case that you know where is your ID, that's the last reference from the last created container. If you're watching my video, okay, commit the ID, and in this case your name. It's like my Kali in this case. Okay, well, I have this one running. Okay, I have this hash function that is not important now, but yes, later in this video. No, okay, well, I have this ID referenced by this this name that I provide. Okay, but now we have to use run ti and mycali in my case. Okay, if you use this name, you have to use mycali without dash. Okay, mycali /bin/bash. Why we have to use because we have to use the terminal. Okay, well, we have here are all my container again. We have all things, and now we have to use. We want to persistent strategies. The first one that's only there is. Oh, I know that there are two options, but I like the first one. Okay, that I want to provide you. You would want to save that the data in the following folders, so that you don't start from scratch when the container is deleted. Okay, well, we have here that root. Okay, that's home therefore root. Okay, like downloads nodes source or code, etc, etc. Okay, but and we have to use also one more, that is var live. I'm sorry, live post yes SQL, and yes, Postgres database files. Okay, use it by Metasploit. It's very important because could be that you have your project, you have to dashboard, or you have to your workbench in your worker in a you work in a database, and you save this you saved it in your database, in a local database. But if you don't have the persistence mode, it could be that your system breaks down, or your system turn off because you have something that you have to do. But yeah, you have to do that. That's why we have a persistence mode, because could be that your data, you want that your data saved in your database. Well, this is how you start a new Kali Linux container using the custom image created earlier and map the two locations. Okay, above two data volumes. Well, in this case, we have to use docker run ta. Okay, rm mounts. I will explain this all command later. crc equal Kali root. Okay, the est and root the destination. Okay, this for mounting one more. crc equal Kali Postgres. Okay, destination. Okay, /var /lib / again Postgres SQL. mycali, yes. Okay, in your case you don't have to use mycali. Okay, with dash, with this one. We have to, if you follow with you my last command that I commit the name of mycali, that is one. You have to use this one. Okay, your names, you have imagination. Okay, imagination. Well, Postgres SQL, we have here. Yes, we have here as far lib Postgres SQL. Why we have this one? I'm sorry. Sorry. No, this one is not correct. Well, copy this one. I'm sorry. Okay, here other commands that you have to use. Okay, docker run in interactive mode with rm. That rm means that switch makes docker delete the container once it stops. Okay, I mean, once you exit the shell, in this case, this is perfectly fine and perfect behavior. You don't want to waste storage on a bunch of stopped containers, as you have all the components, the image and the two volumes to recreate it again. Okay. Well, this command will create two volumes named Kali root and Kali Postgres, okay, or use existing ones on subsequent runs, okay, and map them to the created container. I have this container created before. I don't have to use again, okay. Well, but you have to remove this tag that I have here in the beginning, okay, and run the command. Okay, well, it's easy, it's trivial, my friend. You can use dash v, okay, in this case option for mounting volumes. Thauxit is considered an old way that is being replaced by the more explicit dash dash mount. Okay, and here we want, if you want to use dash v, that is not correct way, it's not the old way that was replaced, but yes, I think that still is maintained this command, but I don't know. Well, another alternative is to map a directory on the host machine to those paths. This is called bind mode, okay, and can also be done through shader dash v or dash dash mode. For example, yeah, the command that's very large. I don't know why to use it. If I have this one that's better, why? But well, I will provide you again as docker run te, okay, mount, I'm sorry, yes, mount type bend, okay, crc, etc, etc, etc. Okay, I will provide you this one in the description. I don't want to waste your time. Well, now we have other option, and this is within the container. The first one was with volumes, okay, and this one is within the container. This option is a Docker anti-pattern, and I would recommend against it, okay, but it's still workable, and I will leave it up to you to judge. Okay, no, I don't want. Why? Because I think that you have here the commands, but yes. Okay, well, in this case, we have to check again Linux. In this case, yes. Sorry, yes. Exit. We have to. You have to use. If you want to, yes. If you want to Docker clean up all that we have, only you have to. I'm sorry, I have to read this. You can read that the control including stop one using the you can later that you can use it. Okay, well, if you want to clean up when working with Docker, you might end up with a bunch of stopped containers. Use the following command to delete all stopped containers. Okay, so Docker container and prune. Warning, this will remove all stopped containers. Yes, I want. I hope I have all deleted, all things that I removed. 3.56 gigabytes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have all things removed. I have all things cleared. I can clear. Okay. Well, I have to check again all things because it's a serious environment that I have. Well, see you to the next video, guys, and I hope that you are excited to the next video. Well, see you.